ABT S5, but you can spot the difference. This one has more doors. So this is the 4-door S5. 4.2 seconds from 0 to 100, 250 kilometers an hour limited top speed, 425 horsepower and 550 horsepower newton meters of torque. Let's look inside. There are actually amazing red leather seats. I love it. Lots of carbon fiber again. The wheel is all leather. The pedals are plastic. So from this rate, this is a little bit more carbon fiber here, more sporty, more extreme. Whereas this is like more relaxed, understated version. Hold on, I haven't noticed it before, but if you can see, there's actually ABT written even on the mirror glass. I'm gonna check if it's on other cars. Yes. So there's ABT everywhere. This is really cool gunmetal, like metallic color, silver, matte silver, matte silver mirrors. The same wheels as on the RS, except no carbon brakes and no diffuser, no carbon fiber diffuser, just a black diffuser with this ABT logo on it, and more classy look with Pro, Audi and ABT logos right here. Still looks pretty nice. If you can see, like little tiny wings right here, but they are included in the bumper with the same color or black, not actually carbon fiber. Better look into the interior of this one, and yeah, you can see the ABT logo. Better look from the front because I couldn't get there that way, and again ABT logo right here and right here. Hold on, let's play a game, right? So you come up to this Audi and you see it's Audi ABT, right? It's a S5 ABT. You walk around, now you're reminded that it's ABT S5. You're still walking around, you're reminded that it's a ABT S Audi, again ABT. You're walking around here, ABT Audi ABT, and I mean, it's the same story with these cars, except that, you know, we have it actually more extreme in this one. ABT here, ABT here, ABT on the mirrors, ABT in the front, ABT on the wheels. So ABT on the headrests, I actually don't know if there's ABT on the headrests. Yeah, so you can see these are the standard Audi S seats, but these seats are improved and modified with the ABT stitched on the headrests. And there's also carbon fiber shifter, and I don't know if that's visible with the camera, with the reflection from the windows, but there's ABT written on the shifter as well. So I mean, that is cool.